having to read the victim impact statements today was one of the hardest things that we could do, because we feel like, you know, this is something that we shouldn't have to prove how much we love Shelby and what a good person he was, what a good member he was. But I mean, it's important to put everything on the table. And the biggest thing here is that, you know, that we have to keep protecting our police officers, and it is getting to be more and more risky, more dangerous for them out there. We have such a shortage, and it doesn't matter what the vacancy rate is. The shortage is that we have members that are on mat leave, pat leave, off duty sick, away on holidays. That's not factored into the vacancy rate. So this shortage is making it very risky for the members that are still working. And that is my biggest concern, is just protecting them. As well, I feel like there is just a lack of respect that's growing. It's getting riskier for them. There's a lack of care, and it's just becoming more and more dangerous. I want everyone to know that he was a good member and he did not make a mistake. I have enough other police officers telling me they would have done the exact same thing in that situation. He was there to serve and protect, not to step back.
It's an incredibly emotional day, not just for Shelby's family, but for myself, for his work colleagues who are here, for the entire RCMP here in Saskatchewan. Shelby's death has had a deep and lasting impact on all of us, given how tragic and unnecessary his death was. We're still feeling those impacts today. In my victim impact statement, I used the word devastating, and I'm not sure that adequately describes the impact when you watch a young woman, her entire world literally collapse in seconds. All her hopes, dreams gone. It is impactful, and I will never forget that moment and the impact that it had on her and the entire Patton family.